Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the fourth set of combos for level 1.9. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your third set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. First combo that we're going to get in today is a front scoot round to a front swipe hook. So you're going to do your front scoot round and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around into a front side stance and put your swing leg on the ground, and then throw your front swipe hook. The second combo, we're going to switch that up and do a front swipe hook to a front scoot round. So you're going to do your front swipe hook and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around into a front side stance and put your cheat knee on the ground, and then you're set up to throw your front scoot round. The third combo is going to be a back scoot round to a back swipe hook. So you're going to do your back scoot round and follow through to a front side stance. From there, you're going to step around to your backside stance and throw your back swipe hook. The last combo is going to be a back swipe hook to a back scoot round. So you're going to do your back swipe hook and follow through to a front side stance. From there, you're going to spin around into a backside stance and throw your back scoot round. Now, obviously, if you're attempting these combos, make sure that you have your grounded flip kicks down already. And I'd like to encourage you guys to actually work on these combinations and combine them with your kicking combinations that we learned earlier on in this curriculum. And remember to always think about the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and make sure that you're pushing through your shoulders, keeping your arms nice and firm when you're doing these tricks. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'd also like to thank all the patrons that are supporting this channel. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the fifth set of combos for level 1.9. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.